Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey, and we are on day number 3 of my 30-day challenge. So today is going to be a quick flight. I am testing out some changes I made on my racing drone. This is my Floss V1, and I changed the props out from 50-50 bi-blades to 50-30s. And I know I won't get as much thrust, but I'll get more stability, and for me, racing with better stability, probably a good thing. And then I also changed the top, so I put that 3D printed up there, and I rerouted the VTX wire. I'm going to change this out eventually. I know that's not the best position for it, but I'm not the fastest racer, so, and I apologize, the footage on this will be DVR as well, but you can see I've got a right hand stubby on there, and I've got the right kind of antennas on my Fat Shark goggles.
Get to making with jive, boy, it's shot. When it hits you, yes, indeed, yes, yes, you shot. When it hits you, yes, indeed, yes, yes. When it hits you, yes, indeed, yes, yes, you shot. When it hits you, yes, indeed, yes, indeed, yes, you holler, yes, 1, 2, 3.
Alright, so the flight went pretty good with these 50-30s. I like they give me good speed and good stability, which I really like. So thanks guys for tuning in. Day number 3 in the books. And so yeah, I was trying to get out here because the weather's getting ready to start kind of not being so nice. But anyway, thanks guys for watching the video. Thanks for hanging out. And as always, keep those drones up in the air, flying high. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a great day.